Let's start the course with a quick overview of what a database is and what we use them for. A database is an organized collection of structured information or data typically stored electronically in a computer system. To manage our database, we will use a software application called a Database Management System, or DBMS. The DBMS acts as a middle person that allows the end user the ability to interact with the database. The user gives the DBMS operational instructions to create, read, update, or delete data. This is known as CRUD. The DBMS executes those instructions and sends the results back to the user. There are various database management systems available, and they are typically classified into two categories. First is the relational database. The second is the non-relational database, or NoSQL. A relational database organizes data into rows and columns, which collectively form a table. Data is typically structured across multiple tables, which can be joined together via a primary key or a foreign key. These unique identifiers demonstrate the different relationships which exist between tables. For this tutorial, we will be using MySQL.